every legislative session, including this last one in Colorado, the drunk driving laws, the criminal drunk driving laws, got more restrictive, more penalties associated with drunk driving. So you might ask, well, should we now expect less drunk drivers on the road? Chad, are you going to be dealing with less drunk drivers causing crashes to folks and injuring them? Well, all the studies say the same thing about that. Recidivism, which is the likelihood of a person to commit a second crime or a third crime, recidivism, doesn't get affected in this area by increasing the penalties. So the simple fact is, all things being equal, in Colorado, your likelihood of getting hit by a 7-time drunk driver is just as high today as it was 15 years ago, when our laws allowed for almost double the level of alcohol intoxication. Its simple fact is, we have as many 7-time DUI drivers that are caught this year as we did 15 years ago. They face stiffer penalties, and their driver's licenses get taken away for longer, and they pay greater fines, but they are still a danger on the road. And for you and your family, unfortunately, and I wish this wasn't the case, increasing the criminal penalties is not going to make you and your family any more safe on the roadway. Simple fact is, drunk drivers seem to be above it all. And if you've been injured, I want to talk to you. For more information, contact us at 303-782-9999 or go to our website at andersonhemet.com.